Well, well, well. Welcome to the Vault, where your crypto trading mistakes come to get roasted. I'm Mr. Vault, your digital mentor with a healthy dose of sarcasm and a bucket of trading wisdom. If you're new here, tap like, subscribe, and ring that bell. It helps the Vault grow. Today, we're diving into the most painful crypto trading mistakes, the ones that drain your wallet faster than gas fees on Ethereum. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Buying high, selling low. Ah, yes, the classic. You chase green candles like a moth to a flame, only to end up burnt. FOMO kicks in, you buy the top, price dips, and you sell in panic. Congratulations, you've just donated to the market. Instead, what you might want to do is use something called dollar cost averaging. It means buying in smaller amounts over time so you don't get wrecked by price swings. Mistake number 2. Trading without a plan. You wouldn't walk into a casino and say, "Let's wing it." But in crypto, people do it every day. No entry point, no exit strategy, just vibes and a dream. A better move? Decide your entry, your stop loss, and where you'll take profits before you even hit that buy button. It's not boring, it's smart. Mistake number 3. Overtrading. Some traders treat exchanges like a video game. Click, flip, trade, repeat. It's not a test of reflexes. It's about patience. What you might want to do is focus on high-conviction trades and keep a trading journal. Trust me, fewer moves, better results. Mistake number 4. Ignoring risk management. Let me guess, you YOLO'd half your portfolio into a meme coin because the chart looked spicy. That's not bold. That's financial cosplay. A better approach? Don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. And for the love of Satoshi, use stop losses. Mistake number 5. Letting emotions run the trade. You check your portfolio every 5 minutes. You celebrate every green candle like you won a Grammy. You panic at every red dip like your ex just texted you. That's not trading. That's emotional cardio. What helps? Set your exit rules beforehand and stick to them. Your heart rate will thank you. Mistake number 6. Relying on signals without understanding. Some dude in a Discord group said this altcoin will pump at 2 p.m. So you buy it without knowing anything else. That's not trading. That's just playing crypto bingo. Here's a better way. Use signals as a guide, not gospel. Understand the project and the chart before you commit. So if you've made these mistakes, don't sweat it. We've all been there. The good news? You can get better. Trading isn't magic. It's discipline, practice, and having a game plan. That's all for today. The Vault never sleeps, but you should. Mad love and peace. Until next time.